To begin, you will need a huge Easter egg, paintbrushes, spray paint or craft acrylic paint, a permanent marker, resin, or Elmer's glue. Make sure your egg is either covered in clear resin or Elmer's glue and dried. Be sure to use a picture of a Vulpix egg for reference. Since Vulpix is a light brown, be sure to add white to your brown. If your brown is too light, add small dots of red. When painting, be sure to use up and down strokes. The same goes for spray painting. Allow 10 to 20 minutes to dry. Now for the pattern. Make sure it's no bigger than 1.5 inches. Now ink in your sketch. Cut out your pattern and be sure to bring it down at an angle. There should be a panel in the center. Now spiral tape in the back of your pattern. Now trace your pattern on 1/3 of your egg. Use the angle part of your pattern to follow the curl you just made. Continue this method until you've gone all around your egg. Ink in your curls with permanent marker. Use orange paint to paint your bottom shell and little parts of your top shell. If you use the spray paint for the top shell, be sure to use acrylic paint for the bottom shell. Now use black paint and trace in your curls. Now for a final coat of pure resin or Elmer's glue. Allow 10 to 20 minutes to dry. And there you have it, a cute Vulpix egg. I hope these tips help with future projects or even Pokemon eggs. I had so much fun making this egg, and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching.